Literally the coolest thing I have ever ordered from Amazon. This is called the Bartesian. It's an automatic cocktail maker, and I did have to get some supplies for this video. This is also the most satisfying series of clips I have ever made in terms of just the sounds. But anyway, you just fill up each one with the spirit that it tells you to. And then when you're all done, you pop 4 of them into the machine. The rum and the gin are interchangeable, so you have 5 options, but you only put 4 in there. And there are a bunch of different drinks. These are the 4 I got. Cosmos are my drink of choice. My shaker bottle literally has how to make one. I got this from a tag sale, but you just tap it to turn it on. Then you lift the lid, and each drink has a barcode. That's the barcode scanner, so that's how it knows which to pour in. It told me to put a shaker bottle, and this is when I used my fancy circle ice cubes, but you can decide how strong you want it, and I chose regular, but look how cool this is. It just comes right out. When it's done, it says cheers, and you pour it into a glass, and you try really hard not to spill it on your tablecloth, but you do anyway, so you just sit back with your boyfriend while he watches baseball, and you enjoy it.
Random Amazon summer find. This mini portable air pump is small enough to fit into your pocket and powerful enough to inflate air mattresses, sports equipment, or any sized pool toy. To include this inflatable floating lounger you fill with water to stay cool while tanning in your backyard. This gadget is perfect if you don't have a pool and also floats in one.
Let's make my new bag display cute. The newest one is of course going in here. And my other new one. I absolutely love this display I found for my wallet. So cute. I never purchased anything so pretty. Using my new phone is absolutely love. The early Kardashians and glasses, like I'm thinking every one of them have like 30%. Absolutely love this. And this one. And more wallets. And this one. These lights make everything look better. It's really cheap. I love this bag. It's hot to get it out. I'll just take on with a deeper so it's not that deep. How cute is this? I'm so obsessed. Got the coolest thing from Amazon for my makeup room. I literally do not even know how I got this in my house. Okay, so I have to like set it up. So I guess you just touch it and it has 3 different settings. This thing is massive. Like, I am absolutely shocked. The fact that this thing is this big and it lights up, this was a steal. I have another piece for my makeup room coming in, so I have to find a place for both of them, and then I will show you guys. And I will link this in my bio. Losing my touch with reality.
This is an Amazon must-have for my family. It's an air purifier. We have this thing running constantly. It picks up a lot of dust and allergens, and it kills germs and bacteria with the UV lights that are in it. It has a slot to put essential oils to make it smell good, and it really helps eliminate odors in rooms. This thing is so cool. Go check it out. It's linked in my bio.
Toddler summer must-haves from Amazon.
A fan of some sort just to try to keep them cool. This one has adjustable legs. I actually used this in the hospital when I was in labor. It is rechargeable. It has a USB charger and it has 3 different fan levels.
The coolest gadget for summer. Take this cooler with you anywhere this summer. It has a drink dispenser, can be worn as a backpack for portability, and the top even acts as a seat. This cooler can hold 14 slim cans, 5 bottles of wine, or 3 gallons of your favorite summer drink. The stainless steel is even removable to enjoy fresh drinks all summer long.
I dropped some cheese at Sephora. I got the Makeup by Mario Skin Perfector. I also got the Skin Enhancer. Been using this for years, the Dior Lip Glow. Shade 008. It's just a cute pink shade. This new primer by Natasha Denona. I'm sorry, but when you call something skin gloss, I'm gonna have to purchase. Look at that. This insanely expensive brush by Makeup Forever. I wanted the Makeup by Mario brush, but y'all bought all of them. I'm really interested about this though. So it's sunscreen that gives you a glow, and it says that it's also a gripping primer. Interesting. I bought this because it says it's a hydration mist that's supposed to like minimize my pores or something. I mean, we know that it's not gonna happen, but still, it would be really cute if it did. The Fenty lip stain in shade 1. Cute, love that for me. I got these little hair pad things for ingrown hairs, and they had really good reviews, and like, I used to love this brand, so I feel like they might be good. I bought this concealer brush by Hourglass. This brush just looks so juicy, and I was like, what do I have to use, you know? The shade is Retro Rose, and it had like really good reviews too. Love it. I feel like I'm going to be buying one of these or something.
This could save your life. In the event of a fire, just grab it from a nearby cupboard, point it at the flames and spray to put it out. But if the fire is spread to the stairs, then you'll need this. Just grab it from your cupboard, open the window and hook it around the wall. Then unclip the ladder and let it fall to the ground before climbing down carefully to safety.
Okay guys, so I just came back from Target because guests are coming in less than 2 hours and the guest bathroom needs a restock. We're gonna start off by restocking some toothbrushes. As you guys know, I like to get different colors just to add some variety. We're gonna stock the back with some Listerine. Next is some toothpaste. Lastly, some more toothbrush covers. Oral care drawer is done. Next is a skincare drawer. I like this drawer, don't get me wrong, but I want to improve it. I'm gonna start off with this bin for makeup removers. I'm gonna add in 2 more. Guests really like these because they're small enough to take home. Adding some makeup wipes, along with some micellar water. Okay, we're gonna start off with this bin, which will be face wash. We're gonna add in 1 for oily skin and 1 for sensitive dry skin. I'm keeping these ones small here because on the counter, we're gonna have to use to the people cleanser right here. And we're gonna put this right here because I feel like everyone can use it. Okay, so back to the drawer, adding in 2 different kinds of facial lotion. 1 will be for oily skin and 1 for normal to dry skin. Okay, this bin I'm super excited for. We're gonna start off with a toner and an essence. They are my favorites. Moving on to serums, we have probiotic acne serum and the ceramide barrier serum. Next up, we have a hydrating milky mist, a vitamin C gel moisturizer from Dermalogica, and then I picked up these really cute mini sunscreens. Lastly, I'm going to add in a really rich moisturizing cream just to make them feel really comfy from a day of traveling. In this area right here, I'm going to add a mask and of course another sunscreen. Okay, I love this drawer. I hope they love it too. So we still need to stock the drawers underneath the sink. This will be in part 2.
Run to Bath and Body Works. These refillable dispensers are a must-have. Okay, get ready because I am sharing by far the most requested link I've gotten consistently for over the past 3 years. So here it is. You've seen this backpack in so many of my TikToks and Reels over the years, and I get so many comments and messages in my inbox asking for the link to this bag. I can't leave the house without somebody complimenting it or asking me where I got it from at the doctor's office, the grocery store, you name it. And the funny thing is, this was a total impulse buy that I grabbed at DSW probably over 10 or 12 years ago. But I finally happened to find the link on Amazon. And considering the bag is as old as it has held up so well. I love that it has tons of zippered compartments and the option to wear it as a backpack or a crossbody. So after all these years of me thinking I wasn't able to share the link, I finally linked it in my bio under Amazon faves and then spring summer fashion. But be warned, I have no idea how long this will stay in stock for.
A favorite in our house for almost 2 years. Hexagon Castle tent is made of fabric, mesh, and plastic. Standing almost 5 feet tall, it's great for sitting or standing play. Comes with a bag and string lights we opted not to use. Girls adore the optional fur rug. Play tent perfection.
Got a baby-proof cabinets at Airbnbs.
Rubber bands from vegetables to secure the cabinet so the little hands can't get inside.
Amazon gadget you just might need.
Check it out.
If you're always looking for a pen, the Sticko pen is great for home or work. Slip the silicone sleeve with built-in magnet on your pen or pencil and then stick it to anything metal. The fridge, filing cabinets, clipboard, shelves, and toolboxes, just to name a few. Super handy.
Amazon summer finds you need. I filled this insulated tumbler with ice water yesterday before we left for the beach. It sat in Daniel's black truck all day, on my kitchen counter all night, and it still had ice in it this morning. It comes with a straw lid and a flip top, fits in your car cup holder, and comes in 41 colors and patterns.